Today we're making the softest, cheesiest, most irresistible garlic bread you've ever tasted. 3 cheese pawn brioche garlic bread. Perfect for impressing guests or indulging in pure comfort food bliss. Let's get started. First, we activate the yeast by dissolving it in warm milk with a little sugar. This kicks off the fermentation process. Next, we add the eggs and mix well. A bit of liquid malt or honey enhances the flavor, color, and rise of our brioche. We incorporate the flour, followed by salt. Nicole works the dough right in the bowl until it starts to look shaggy. Now, it's time for the butter. Add it a little at a time and kneaded until fully absorbed. A stand mixer can speed things up, but you can achieve the same result by hand with a little patience. We let the dough rest for 30 minutes, then fold it a few times for extra strength and structure. Once smooth and ready, we shape it into a ball and let it rise for 2 to 3 hours until it doubles in size. While the dough rises, let's make our garlic butter filling. We're using Tuscany's famous Braglione Toscano, a type of mild aromatic garlic that adds incredible flavor without the harsh bite of regular garlic. Use regular garlic if you prefer. For a touch of freshness, mix in finely chopped parsley. Simply blend softened butter with finely minced garlic until smooth and fragrant. This creamy garlic butter is what will take our cheesy pan brioche to the next level. Shaping the brioche. With the dough ready, we roll it out to about 6 to 7 millimeters thick, just under 1/4 inch. And 30 by 30 centimeters wide, about 12 by 12 inches. We spread the garlic butter evenly across the surface. Then sprinkle a generous amount of grated cheese all over. Now there are two ways to shape this beauty. The first, layered squares. Nicole cuts the dough into 9 equal squares, then stacks them on top of each other to create a perfect pull-apart effect. And the second way to shape the bread, a spiral roll. For an easier alternative, simply roll the dough into a tight log, creating a beautiful swirl of cheese and garlic butter. Which method do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. The shaped dough goes into a baking pan for one last rise, 30 more minutes of proofing. Final rise and bake. Before baking, we brush the top with egg yolk for a rich golden crust. Bake in a static oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes until beautifully golden and perfectly baked. Once out of the oven, we finish it off with a light brush of melted butter and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. The moment of truth. And now, the best part, pulling apart those soft, cheesy layers. Fluffy, buttery, with a crispy golden crust and melty, gooey cheese in every bite. So tell us, do you prefer the layered squares or the spiral roll? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you love classic recipes from Italy and beyond, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new recipe.